In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Zoho Books dashboard, a feature available exclusively for those on the Elite and Ultimate plans. Having a custom dashboard not only enhances your ability to monitor essential business metrics, but also tailors the financial data presentation to your specific needs and preferences. To get started, first navigate to the Dashboard tab within Zoho Books. Once there, look for the Configure option. By clicking this, you will see the option to create a new dashboard. It's time to set the foundation for your customized experience. Give your new dashboard a descriptive name and an optional description that will help you remember the specific focus or purpose of this dashboard. Next, decide who will have access to view or manage this dashboard. There are 3 sharing options available. Only me, meaning it's a personal dashboard just for your eyes. Everyone, if you want the entire team to have visibility, or only selected users and roles, allowing you to specify which team members have the privilege to view or manage it. Choose wisely based on your operational needs and privacy preferences. Now that we have laid the groundwork, let's move on to adding panels to your dashboard. Panels are essentially the heart of your dashboard, providing you with a snapshot of various business insights. In Zoho Books, you have the flexibility to enhance your dashboard with 2 types of panels, predefined panels and report panels. Let's dive into each of these. Firstly, let's explore predefined panels. These are default widgets that Zoho Books provides to help visualize key financial data, such as totals and overviews. To add a predefined panel, start by heading to the Dashboard Setup. Click on Predefined Panels. This will open up a selection of available widgets for you. Hover over the panel that suits your needs, and then click on the Create Panel icon. This relatively simple step allows you to embellish your dashboard with insightful data critical to your financial monitoring. Switching gears, let's discuss report panels, which allow for more customization tailored explicitly to your business metrics. This could include anything from sales by customer to receivables or expenses by project, among others. When creating a report panel, it's crucial to customize each to suit your monitoring needs. Decide on the time period that the data will represent. Options typically range from today to this month. Then, select the chart type that best represents your data, whether it be a pie chart, bar chart, or line chart. Lastly, specify which data fields will be your X and Y axes to make sure the information is presented in a manner that is both intuitive and insightful. By the end of these steps, you will have a tailored Zoho Books dashboard that aligns perfectly with your business goals, ultimately facilitating a deeper understanding and control of your financial insights.